Hey, good evening. This is Tom Espinosa, Hydro Pressure Washing. Hey, tonight we're out here in Anaheim, California, power washing at Home Depot, one of our regular service accounts. Tonight's wash is consisting of a surface clean and degum. We're using 300 degrees of steam, 3,500 psi, and we're going to be degumming and degreasing, and then we're going to finish off with a surface spinner. So if you're a commercial property owner and you need your property power washed, give us a call. Ask for Tom Espinosa. You can reach me at 877-992-2777. My extension is 101. Check us out on the World Wide Web, www.hydropressurewashing.com. Once again, this is Tom Espinosa, Hydro Pressure Washing. #1 Southern California power washing company, specializing in surface cleaning and aerial building washes of any size. 200,000 square feet, no problem for us. The bigger the better. We also specialize in interior surface cleaning and service area power washing. Give us a call. Ask for Tom Espinosa.